Situation that I'm trying to improve is getting my old garage fixed up. I worked with my roommate because issues with the garage affect both of us. We planned to inspect the garage to see what exactly it was that needed fixing, and we planned to research different companies to see who would be best for the job. My measures of success were to get the job done in a timely manner and making sure it is within my budget. We discovered two main issues with the garage that needed immediate fixing. We discovered there are holes where animals are getting in the winter and causing damage. And we discovered that it needs to be sheetrocked. This garage was built in 1958, so it is quite old. We also discussed how we want the garage to look like once it's finished. And we met with a contractor who was able to fix the issues at a reasonable price. He also said that the garage can be fixed within the next 2 months, which is perfect because we would like it done before the winter, before the animals all start trying to find a warm space to live. AI taught me another way of problem solving and being organized when it comes to dealing with the problems. I definitely have a better understanding of working with my peers and getting through situations with less stress. AI definitely made me feel more organized, and it brought less stress to situations when I have to deal with problems. I'm not good at dealing with problems with less stress. I'm usually very stressful and very stressed and can't deal very well. So AI definitely taught me how to organize myself and take stress away from the situation. I would say I plan on implementing AI when I return to work, seeing as I'm off this summer because I work in elementary school. And the beginning of the school year gets very, very stressful with all the kids coming back, all the paperwork we need to fill out and file. So I could definitely work with my secretary to see how we can organize some situations and some problems that we face in the beginning of school. I can also use AI when it comes to selling my house and moving elsewhere. I do plan on selling my house within the next couple of years, and selling a house and finding another place to live is definitely a very stressful situation. So if I could figure out how to be organized and less stressed when it comes to that time, that would be wonderful. And like I said, my desired outcome would be dealing with problems in life and work easily and with less stress. So again, dealing with situations in my life more smoothly, more calmly, able to just breathe and deal with it with less stress on my shoulders would make my life a lot easier, and it would make my life a lot more organized. I'm not the most organized person, and AI has helped me become more of an organized person, I would say.